Not gonna lie, man. I'm feeling kind of hungry. Yo, fat ass! I want chicken! Now go make it now!
Alright, hold up, we'll get chicken. Alright, Ilya, he needs some chicken. He's pretty hungry. Now go get some.
I got fresh batch.
Sir, your order will be here soon, don't worry.
Chicken? I'm sorry.
Sir, please
No.
don't do it.
You're not getting the fresh batch of chicken. Oh.
Yeah, sir, don't mind if it's taking a while. Don't worry.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I gotta extinguish that. All right, we got the fresh batch ready for you. You give it to the customer.
Yo. Oh, thank you for my chicken, kind sir. Oh, damn. I'll just eat this man instead. He's mine. Oh, yeah.
Ah, finally, I get to go home. I can't wait to sit down and relax and watch some TV. Wow, I can't believe it's already been 8 years since the last time I've been here. I wonder if everything's still as it was. Ah, I can't relax and watch some TV.
You cooked me up. Now I'm gonna.
Oh. No, please.
And then he was getting what? You know, you're a different color and I don't really like it.
Please.
Well, job's done now.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see.